What's up, guys? Going to the storage to work on the Jetta a bit. I'm gonna be installing those tail lights and the flashers that I got yesterday. Also, I went maybe a week and a half ago to put the trickle charger on the battery because I couldn't put it on when I put the car in the storage. I just want to check it out if it's still charging, how the battery is doing, what state it's in. And we're gonna see what's going on in the storage. Maybe the guy added a car or motorcycles or whatever, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to back up the car to start it or whatnot. But we're gonna see what happens when we get there. Also, I even have the headlight switch that I got off of that mk2 from the salvage yard. So I'm gonna install that too, see if it works. Cause mine, the button that flips up and down the switch, it broke off, so I always have to like figure out a way to like switch it on and off. So hopefully that goes well. Other than that, I even have the strut bar in the trunk. I'm gonna see if I can put it on too, and that's about it. There's not really much I could do when the car's in the storage. I could work on the car, just that there's not a lot of room, there's not a lot of light. So I have to basically do what I can with the little bit that I have. Anyways, I'll continue recording once I get to the storage unit. Alright guys, I just made it in the garage. So here's the Jetta. I actually tried and changed the switch like I was telling you guys. Okay, you guys can't see it, but this one here, this is what I was talking about. Let me see if I can get it. The piece over here, I always had to basically like MacGyver something, put it on, but it works perfectly fine, so I'm happy with that. But I'm gonna install the tail lights. Hopefully there's gonna be a difference. We'll see. It's probably gonna be good. I'm sorry in advance, guys, for the lighting. Like I said, there's not a lot of lighting in here, but I'll manage and I'll see what I could do. Open. So if I'm not mistaken, it's 8mm, the socket. 8mm, 3H drive. I think I'm gonna go with a screwdriver. I got the screws off, guys. I'm just gonna lay them down somewhere over here. Okay guys, sorry about that. Alright guys, so I got everything pretty much out. So this is out. I'm going to transfer these little foams. There's foams behind the tail lights. So you should transfer them. It's going to isolate water, debris, and all that shit. So this was the left. Install this one. There we go. I'm going to put the screws back. I'm going to tighten everything back. I'm going to show you guys the difference. That compared to that. Obviously the lighting in here sucks there, but I'm gonna see if I could get I'm gonna see if I could press the brakes, and maybe you're gonna see how it's gonna look with the lights running. Okay, let me see if it works, if I brake, if you could see anything. What do you guys think? Kinda like it, I won't lie. It's a bit darker. It's nice. So I'm gonna get the other one done, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I changed it on both. I'm just gonna show you guys. So there you go. Changed on both sides. Okay, they're a bit dirty. So guys, this is the trunk area. Anyways, these are the skirts, the side skirts that I have to install on my driver's side, but the clips are broken. I'm gonna have to figure something out about that. But yeah, I'm gonna see. Well, I could close this. I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna turn on the lights and I'm gonna see how it looks. Yeah, they definitely look good. So now I have to install these. The wiring's there too. Yeah, my pigtails are horrible, but I don't know if I'm gonna have space to work over here. Not a lot of room. I'm debating if I should just do that later on. Let's check out the room. It's a little tight on that side, but on this side I could probably get to it. The lighting in here is horrible, guys. I'm so sorry. This car needs a wash. There's leaves everywhere. Spider webs everywhere. It's not bad. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think, if I should put back the original ones that I had, or if I should keep these smoked ones. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end this here. I don't have really room to replace the front markers, but I'm actually happy at how the taillights came out. Right now, obviously, you can't really see it as good because the lighting is horrible in here. But when I take it out in the summer, it's for sure gonna look good. We'll keep it to that. Rest of the things that probably is gonna get done on the car, I'm probably gonna get the shifter realigned because it's a bit sluggish. So I checked online how to align it, how to adjust it. So I'm gonna do that. And I have the strut bar that I want to install, so I'm gonna get that done also when I take it out of the storage, because there's no room to work in here. And that's about it. And I even have that oil leak coming from the oil filter housing gasket, so I'm gonna fix that as well. My rear calipers are sticking a bit, so I'm gonna service them, or I'm gonna see if I could replace them with some remanufactured ones that I could get off of a buddy of mine. That's basically it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna be doing more videos on the car. Hopefully, even if I could come during the week or the weekend to just clean off all this dust, clean it up a bit, make it look presentable for when I take it out. So I'm gonna be doing that. And that's about it. Take care, guys. Peace.